Hey, welcome back to our channel HardReset.Info. In this video I want to show you how to navigate the updated settings menu on Android 16. You want to swipe down from the right side of your status bar over here, and then you want to do it once again to see expanded panel. Then let's tap edit button, which is pencil icon, to enter editing mode. And now you can scroll down to find available tiles right here, and you want to tap the plus icon to add button, or you can select or you can tap minus icon to remove this tile. Additionally, you can rearrange tiles by dragging the tile to its desired position, like this. And additionally, you can change the size of it, of the tile. On the right edge, as you can see here, is a little handle, and you can drag it left to minimize it, like this, and to the right to expand it. So yeah, that is basically how we can navigate the settings menu on Android 16, and I really hope that this video helps you. If so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.